John Ackerman for Convention of States, Indiana, continuing the COS Basics. And we've been having some fun lately, busting some myths. The next myth that I'm going to bust is the one that says the convention could rewrite the entire Constitution. Gloom and doom. The fact is, that's a myth. It's not true that the convention could rewrite the entire Constitution. There is no rewrite intended. Article 5 of the Constitution is very clear at this point. The only thing the convention can do is propose amendments. Propose amendments. They would still have to be ratified by 3/4 of the 50 states. Now, the goal of the Convention of States project is firm. Holding an Article 5 convention to propose amendments to the United States Constitution. That's it. Propose amendments. We do have 3 kinds of amendments in mind, and the convention will be limited to these 3 topics. Amendments that would curb the federal debt, restrain federal spending. Amendments that would limit the power and jurisdiction of the federal government. And amendments that would impose term limits on the judiciary, federal bureaucrats, and elected officials. That's it. Pretty simple. The convention is limited to these 3 purposes, and state legislatures will provide specific instructions to their delegates to adhere to these restrictions. Appropriate amendments could include a balanced budget amendment and term limits on Congress and federal judges. Those are just examples of what might happen. And so the myth that the convention could rewrite the entire Constitution, busted.